Right, tomorrow, today, tonight, tomorrow. Got some catapult bands on me. These are Sniper Sling .70 yellows OTT. OTT means over the top. So we've got this. I mean, it's off Nick Eggerty. I got it years ago. Good catapult, done me well, palm swell. So I'm going to today show you a quick video on how to show you how to tie them. If I can still remember that is. So you get a little marker line here, look. You get the catapult there, the line is. Now straight, yeah. Make sure it's in the centre. There we go. Right, in the kit you get these. And for some reason you get these, like little loom band things. I've never used them before. And then you get a bit of string. Let me turn this down. Bloody racket, eh? Job, bit of move on. Right, anyway. So, what I usually do, I like to tie them myself. So, I'm going to do, come on like this. I need my little assistant here, Noah. Say hi, Noah. Hi! So, I'm going to put that on there like that. Like I said, the line straight through there. I'm going to put that, right. Fuck the birds. Right, look. Oh, there we go, look. So I'm going to put this bit of elastic here, look. Just hold it with your thumb. Yeah, I'm going to go wrap it around where your little marker is. Mark it around. Try to do it with one hand as best I can. So, around. We'll get that. We'll go around again. Make sure your band's straight-ish. I don't know because it popped off. We go 1, 2. Keep it tight. 3. And I'm going to do one more. 4. Right. I'm going to hold it there. And know this is where you come in handy. Come here, look. See this piece of string here, the loop that you get? You put that there like that, look. So I'm going to put that under there. And then I'm going to go around it. So there, look, I'm going to go around that piece of string. 1, 2, and then I'm going to thread this through there, look. Sorry if you can't see, look. Thread it through the hoop. Like that, look. If I hold that. Right, now you pull that string there. Go and pull it. Pull it all the way through. Go and pull. Pull. Go and pull. There you go, look. And that's how you tie it, look. Now that is tied on. See, then we'll cut these bits off, look. Then pause it. I'm going to just trim these little bits here, look. And there's one tied, look. So I'm going to do the same on this side. Make sure your bands are straight, look. So this one goes over here. Same again, line up with that, look. And then make sure it's nice and straight, boys, nice and straight. So, right, same as before, just wrapped it round. Right, Noah, put that through there. No, just hold that like that, look. Hold it there. No, that end. Yeah, have you got it? Just like that, so the loop. Don't pull it tight, there you go. Right, so go around there. Come on, I'm doing that. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. So, and then this one. Oh, there, good job. This is why you always keep your finger on it in case you drop it. So, now, like that, keep your finger on. Right, you know what? Pull your string like that. You know what? Pull the string. Pull it then. Come on, chicken wing. There you go, look.
Oh.
Then tidy these off, look. That's how you tie the catapult, boys. So, let's get out and see what we can get with it, eh? Eh? Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Not bad. Not bad at all. Cheers, John James' son. Put me on to bands. Thank you, brother. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!